Imagine a plate that tells the story of a nation and its people. Step into the Caribbean, where diverse flavors unite in a vibrant culinary celebration. Born in Jamaica, my culinary journey travels through 5 islands. Each dish reveals a unique connection to history and culture. First, let's savor Jamaica. Our beloved national dish is ackee and saltfish. Picture soft, buttery ackee paired with salted cod, peppers, onions, and a side of fried dumplings, johnny cakes, or bakes, depending on which island you grew up on. This dish embodies influences from West Africa and Europe, all on one plate. Everyone agrees on the love for ackee and saltfish. The only debate is whether to add tomatoes or leave them out. Now, let's travel to St. Lucia. The island's pride is green figs and saltfish, made with boiled green bananas. Once survival food, it transformed into a symbol of resilience. Next, we explore Barbados. Here, cuckoo and flying fish delight the senses. Creamy cornmeal and okra meet tender flying fish in a rich gravy. It's comforting, like a warm embrace after a long day. Traveling to Trinidad and Tobago, pilau warms the heart. Chicken caramelized in sugar blends with rice, pigeon peas, and coconut milk. Each bite carries a hint of sweetness and celebration, echoing our vibrant culture. Finally, we arrive in Haiti for soup jumu. A golden broth of pumpkin, beef, and spices is enjoyed on New Year's Day, celebrating freedom. This soup symbolizes resilience and unity, transcending mere nourishment. Across these islands, we find common threads. Saltfish and starch unite us, from Jamaica's ackee and saltfish to St. Lucia's green fig and saltfish. This ingredient, once rations, became a centerpiece for celebration. Rice and peas, too, tell our story. Jamaica's kidney beans, Trinidad's variations, and Haiti's deep-seasoned rice all share a rhythm. Our stews and one-pot meals, like pilau, brown stew chicken, rundown, and cook-up, are made with love. They connect Africa, Europe, and indigenous cultures all in one dish. Different islands, different flags, yet one enduring spirit. We take what we have, season it with care, and transform struggle into joy. So every time you taste these dishes, remember, you're not just enjoying a meal. You're savoring a rich Caribbean narrative where one people share many kitchens. Join me in celebrating our culinary heritage. Indulge in the perfect mouth-watering blend of ingredients and spices, whether you love kurma, coconut drops, pone, or tablet pistache. Try these dishes, connect with our story, and bring the flavors of the Caribbean to your home.